Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Blessed Method of Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Just That Simple. The music is As the Night Moves. The artist is Tall Black Guy featuring DEVIN Morrison, and the choreography is QUAN TERRELL. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Guys, check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open and you can book your room right now. Please visit our website for detailed information at www.LMIUNOL.com. And here we go. And as a reminder, I almost forgot, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Here we go. That smooth or what? Just that simple. And it's just that simple also to check out the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.